Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you want to do is just go to your start button, then just right click on it, then just click on device manager. Then from device manager, just expand the system drivers. Then in here, just search for high precision event timer and just set it to disable. And then just simply close this window. After that, what you want to do is just go to your search bar and search for Edit Power Plan. Now just open up Edit Power Plan. Inside here, click on Advanced Power Settings. Now just set the drop-down menu to High Performance. Then just click on Apply and OK, and then just close all this. Then just go back to your desktop. And the last thing what you want to do is just go ahead and right-click on your taskbar. Then just click on Task Manager. This will simply open up your Task Manager. Then what you want to do is just maximize this window. After that, on the left hand menu, just select the startup apps. From here, sort by status and put the enabled ones on top. Then one by one, disable whichever apps you don't need on your startup. Then you can simply close Task Manager. And that is basically how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.